In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Word not responding or working on your Windows 11 computer. So in order to fix this, what you need to do is head over to your Start menu and then just search for Services and click on the Services window. Then from this list of services, you just need to scroll all the way down the list until you see a service called Print Spooler. Now once you've found this service, you just need to right-click on it, click on Properties, and then we're going to change the startup type from automatic to manual, and then press Apply and OK. Now once you've done this, you can close out of this window, and then we're going to head over to the Start menu, search for Settings, and click on the Settings window. From the left-hand side, select Apps, and click on Installed Apps. Using the search box at the top here, we're just going to type in 365, and this should bring up the Microsoft 365 apps. So what you need to do is click on these three horizontal dots and select Modify, and what this will do is bring up this repair window. And as you can see, this will repair all of your Microsoft 365 and Office programs, including Microsoft Word. So what we're going to do is just select this quick repair and then hit the repair button and confirm by pressing repair. Now once this is finished, you'll then need to restart your computer, and that should have then fixed any issues you were having in Microsoft Word. If that doesn't work, then what you'll need to do is come back over to the installed apps and come back over to Microsoft 365, click back on the three horizontal dots and select Modify, and this time rather than selecting Quick Repair, we're going to select Online Repair and then click the repair button. And you'll need to make sure you have an internet connection, and then you can just click Repair. And once this is finished, that should have then solved any issues you were having in Microsoft Word. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.